Hello guys. A while ago I got some bushings. That one you can see there, that's one of them. I got 3 more in the shed. I need to clean them up and I will use them for the PTs. And they're pretty big, they're used for 45 kV. There's a 45 kV cable in it. Not now of course. Here's the cable if you want to see it. Here it is. Not so much cable left. I just chopped it off. And this is the part that was in the insulator, and that's the connector. So it actually goes in there. Here we got it. And this one just goes in there like that. And when I push it in, it makes good contact. Let's get it out. And there's actually a copper to aluminium joint right there. So you have to be careful to not get some moisture in it, because it will corrode. And corrosion is not so good in electrical equipment. But that's not the video that we are going to take today. This one is something else. Yes, today I was near a place and I got this box from there. No, it's not a jack in it. As you can see on the picture, no, there's not one of those in it. It's something else. There was a TV repair store, and in the scrap bins, they have some scrap bins in front of the door. I was driving past that and found that there were lots of circuit boards in it. I hadn't seen that circuit boards because they were bloody hell covered with snow. But now when the snow has melted, I saw there was a lot of circuit boards in that. And the circuit board, when I was on top of the bins, I saw that there were not just circuit boards in that. There were flybacks. There were lots of flybacks in that. Not on the circuit boards. There were new flybacks that was not even soldered on a circuit board. Here you see them. Let's have a look in that. Look at that. Isn't that a lot of flybacks? I just managed to get some of the boards, but the most of them was not even soldered to anything. Look at that, all new flybacks. Some on circuit boards, but mostly just bare flybacks in that. And this is just a little part of it. There's a ton left in that. Brand new flybacks. And even more left on the circuit boards. I just took the largest flybacks I could find. And those which had the core, that you can take the core out with this little metal bend on it. And there were some triplers in there as well. And yes, that looks that I came out of a rear projection TV. Where does it go? Yes, here we got it. This one came out of a rear projection TV. Here we have this long cable which goes to that splitter for the low side of the HT, and the HT here goes to a splitter for the anode. And yes, that's a flyback, rear projection flyback. Got some data on there. Where is it made? Mexico. Yes, here we got rear projection TV flyback. Not even used. Let's dig into that box and see what we got. So yes, here we got. Look at that. There's all the flybacks which was on PCB. There got all the triplers, 5 triplers. And there's all the new flybacks. I didn't manage to get a lot of those. I will go there tomorrow and take the rest. If I can take the rest, because there's lots of other scrap on them. But yes, these are not even used. Some of them look desoldered, so they have been used, but they are desoldered. Like, there was one, if I can find it. Yes, here we go. This is one. This one is desoldered. but the rest looks pretty new. Yes, you can see here, it stands ny on it. That's new in Swedish. Look at the huge cap on that. Let's just have a look on these triplers. I got 5 triplers. Cockcroft Welton. Let's look at that. That's nice. So I have 3 of those. Looks exactly the same. And I got 2 of those, which are the same. So 2 types of triplers. Be pretty handy to have. I found a little nice circuit board with some resistors on it. One of them, sadly that one has exploded, but those 2 are complete, not ruined yet. And how many ohms are they? Can we see? 6 ohms. That one, 6 ohms. Yes, 6 ohms. 6 ohm resistors. And there's even a small resistor in them. Is that a resistor? No, it's not a resistor in that. It's a temperature fuse. It's a temperature fuse in it. And on the back we got relays. This must be some kind of soft starter, I think. Is it? Yes, we got 3-phase, so that must be some kind of soft starter for a little motor or something. Not a little motor, but 6 ohms resistors. This is a little current shunt. Current transformer, not current shunt. What we got there? L1. We got, yes, that's for a motor. So that's just one single phase in there. And we got the other phases here. So that's a equal load. So that must be some kind of motor. Which soft starts it. Or a transformer. It can be a transformer as well. Something with iron core. And here we got all these circuit mounted flybacks, which is not new. I just ripped them off the board. There are 8 of them as well. But these are pretty huge. I took the biggest ones. Look at that. That one's big. And have a look on the cap. I found it. There it is. Okay, that's big. That's almost as big as the flyback. And yes, and this one, a little heatsink came with it. But still, good big core. Nice gap between, so I can put my wire on. And here we got another one. I had one of these before, or 2 of these. Pretty good flybacks. High voltage out of them. It's a small one. It's a pretty small flyback. But still the cap is attached. And the cap is a bit larger than the flyback. That's a bit larger than the flyback. Almost as big as the core. But yes, there were 8 flybacks on PCB. 8 flybacks. Is that 8? Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flybacks. 8 on this side. 16 flybacks today. And 5 triplers. And more it will be. And a little soft starter. I don't think I can get this running. Or maybe. Yes, I will try to fix this. Yes, this will be awesome. It's not so much stuff in it. We got some connectors here. We got the AU2 and neutral. So that's actually turning this thing on. And we got the U, V and W output. Those goes to the motor. And we got the input. 3-phase in and 3-phase out. So this would be pretty good for a transformer. When I get a transformer, or if I want to use my PTs, that would be awesome. To soft start them. To not get that huge peak that blows the fuse. So yes, I'll go and take another look and see if I found more flybacks and more triplers. And if I got some good circuits from there. Thanks for watching.